But we began with Hunter Biden, who is expected to plead guilty to 2 federal misdemeanor counts of failing to pay his taxes and 1 separate gun possession charge, according to court documents just filed this morning. I want to bring in NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dilanian, NBC News Capitol Hill correspondent Ali Vitale, and Carol Lamb, an MSNBC legal analyst and former federal prosecutor. Ken, walk us through these charges filed here. What is Hunter Biden facing?
Good morning, Anna. Well, look, Hunter Biden is admitting to crimes here, but they're misdemeanors. 2 counts of willful failure to file taxes in 2017 and 2018. The specific, they're called, it's the criminal information that describes the charges, doesn't specify exactly how much tax Mr. Biden is alleged to have evaded, but it says he earned more than $1.5 million in each of those years and was required to pay more than $100,000 in each of those years and did not pay. It's been reported that he repaid more than $1 million in a tax bill while this 5-year investigation was ongoing. He's also agreed to admit the facts of possessing a gun when he wasn't supposed to possess one because he was addicted to drugs at the time, so he lied on a form. He's admitting to the facts of that charge, but will enter a pretrial adjudication program, so it won't go on his record. So the upshot here is that he's expected to receive probation as part of this plea deal, no jail time. He'll have to come to this courthouse behind me at some point and surrender and be processed by the federal marshals. But a significant victory for Mr. Biden because NBC News has reported that there was at least 1 felony tax charge under consideration by the Justice Department. That hasn't been filed. And the DOJ was also looking very closely at Mr. Biden's foreign business entanglements and whether he, for example, represented foreign interests in the United States. There were no charges of any kind, no wrongdoing found by this U.S. attorney appointed by Donald Trump in those matters. And just to be very clear, we're already seeing criticism from Donald Trump and others that this is the Biden Justice Department cutting a sweetheart deal with the president's son. This investigation was run by the Trump-appointed U.S. attorney in Delaware, who was treated essentially like an independent counsel. There was no involvement by the Attorney General Merrick Garland or senior officials in the Justice Department other than career tax lawyers who have to be involved in any tax-related case. But that's the bottom line here. Hunter Biden agreeing to plead guilty to misdemeanors that should result in no jail time on him.